at the end of day, when you become a prime minister, I'm not saying that Rahul Gandhi is necessarily going to make that decision, that's his call.
Yeah.
The critical question is you don't work in isolation. You work with other party people, you have people who with great experience who are part of your cabinet, and the party has some formidable talent. So I don't think it's a question of administrative experience. I can counterpose it to say that Mr. Modi is a regional leader.
You must let Akar
Mr. Modi can win an election in Karnataka, I will see him as a pan-Indian leader.
Yes, Akar, what were you saying?
Rajiv Gandhi was just as well-meaning, just as decent, just as nice as Rahul Gandhi is. He failed. In the 2.5 years of his term, he had to fight the Congress party. Because
but Akar, don't forget.
He didn't know how to deal with
but don't forget that unlike his father, Rahul has been on the ground for the last 9 years. That is significant. I think that's one of the perspectives that we need to put
in the 9 years that he spent on the ground.
I'm in no way discounting what he's done on the ground. I'm just comparing him to a specific person. I'm saying that Modi has done what Rahul Gandhi has not done, and we should not be able to deny that. He has worked by himself, having been just
question 2. One sec. Sabha, I'm coming to you. Before that, Siddharth was raising his hand. I'm on the question of record right now. It's Siddharth Nath Singh's turn from Allahabad.
Arnab, let's say politically, Modi ji entered as the chief minister almost about 11 years, 12 years back. And if I look the record of Rahul Gandhi, he entered almost about the same time, maybe minus 1 year or 2 years. Now, on political front, forget about the administrative front and all that, you have heard many things from Modi, and you can say Modi represents this and this. Modi's brand is this. But when I look at Rahul Gandhi, there's no brand. Rahul Gandhi has not stood for anything. Outside the parliament or inside the parliament.
Can I present a counter?
I think that's the best way to count. Now, if Rahul Gandhi has made a statement in Lokpal in the parliament that it has to be a constitutional body, he has not followed it.
Okay, I have a counter.
He went to a Dalit's house.
I have a counter.
Even in Bundelkhand,
no, I have a counter. Let's put.
Dies.
No,
so
Siddharth.
he goes to Kalavati. In Vidarbha, the lady's, Kalavati's daughter dies because
don't be symbolic. No, 1 minute, Siddharth, 1 minute.
There is a track record which you can look at.
Don't be symbolic.
Okay.
Don't be symbolic, be substantial.
No, I'm not being symbolic.
You're being symbolic, not substantial in your argument, I'm afraid.
Arnab, you're not willing to take the facts.
No, I present facts to you. Listen to my facts. I am saying you're being symbolic. I'll give you a substance. No, I'll tell you what. I'll tell you 1 minute. No, 1 second. I'll take the facts. Counter my facts.
Give the facts back to me.
Yes, I'll counter the facts to you now. Siddharth, you asked me for facts. Here are the facts. Yes, Rahul Gandhi, listen to me clearly. Now you listen to me. You said Kalavati. I will not get into Kalavati. I will get into facts. So Siddharth Nath Singh, here are the facts. Rahul Gandhi has very limited success to his 1 minute, please. Electoral success to his credit. 1 minute.
It is a fact. Ask Sabha Naqvi, she is sitting there. Her Outlook had written about it.
Siddharth, you are not going to listen to me.
Can I get in?
No, please don't counter me like that. No. Please ask Sabha. Outlook had written about the Kalavati and Bundelkhand lady.
Siddharth,
please ask.
Siddharth, much as you want the 2014 elections is not going.
Let me answer.
I'm coming to. Okay, Sabha. Yes, Sabha. Go ahead. Yes, Sabha. Go ahead. Go on, Sabha.
Okay, first of all, there is no comparison between the records of Narendra Modi and Rahul Gandhi on the issue of governance. But I think we are missing a very important point. I think Mr. Modi wants to be the prime ministerial candidate. I think Mr. Gandhi is going to follow an example very similar to his mother, where actually somebody else will do the sort of work. Mr. Gandhi is just going to be a face and a symbol, because I haven't seen any evidence of him actually getting so far into the nitty-gritty of governance. Whereas Mr. Modi is an entirely different situation. He is just dying for the top job, and he wants it really badly, and he's making everybody else in his party, in his parivar, in the Vishwa Hindi Parishad so nervous.
Of the day.
Mr. Gandhi, they're dying for him. They're dying for Mr. Gandhi to be more there, and he's sort of reluctant.
My second political quiz question of the day goes to Siddharth Nath Singh, who says that I'm not being substantial enough in my argument. Siddharth Nath Singh, in the 2009 elections, would you enlighten the audience as to which is the state where the NDA performed the best? NDA performed the best?
In 2009, we were Karnataka, we did extremely well.
You forgot Bihar?
one state you're asking me? Or
You forgot Bihar.
Gujarat also. Well, Gujarat.
You forgot Bihar. You conveniently forget Bihar where Narendra Modi was not allowed to campaign.
Okay. No, no, it's not a question. There is a combination which worked in Bihar under Nitish Kumar. And
My
there
question,
are certain things. There was a hope which Mr. Nitish Kumar gave, and there was a reason for it to work. There are different reasons politically
my question
on the ground.
is why. My question is,
you cannot isolate one and then go ahead in politics when you go for voting.
Siddharth, come on. I get Meghnad Desai into this. Mr. Meghnad Desai, thank you for joining us. We are thick in the middle of the News Hour debate tonight.
Tell me where Modi didn't go, it didn't work. So you're trying to give me all those things.
I have a second quiz question. You want a second quiz question? I'll give a second quiz question to you. 1 minute. My second quiz question is, he avoided campaigning in Uttar Pradesh, Punjab and Uttarakhand. In Himachal Pradesh where he campaigned, can you tell us how the BJP did? And how does that substantiate your argument that Narendra Modi is not a Gujarat-based phenomenon?
Try and understand, we all worked. It was not only Mr. Narendra Modi who was campaigning in 2009. We all were campaigning from top to bottom. We collectively failed to form a government. So let's not get into who individually.
Okay, Meghnad Desai has raised his hand.
As the Prime Minister,
Lord Desai has raised his hand.
Then we go ahead.
Lord Desai. Lord Desai.
Mr. Modi has a limited appeal outside of Gujarat.
Lord Desai.
That is your real body.
1 minute.
Can I?
Meghnad Desai. Meghnad Desai joins the debate. Welcome, sir. 9:30 p.m. Go ahead. 9:40. I'm sorry. Yes.
No. Arnab, the problem is very simple. We have to consider BJP with or without Narendra Modi. Congress will have Rahul Gandhi anyway. As of now, neither Congress nor BJP are likely to get 150 seats. Question is, can Rahul Gandhi's leadership make Congress get more than 150 seats? Can he bring about 25 seats?
Yep.
With Narendra Modi, it is very clear.
Yep.
If BJP goes with Narendra Modi, it will need 180 to 200 seats on its own, because it won't get all the other partners for NDA. And so there's a 30, Narendra Modi has to bring 30 extra seats on his own to the BJP basket. Now the question is, can Rahul Gandhi do 25 seats? Can Narendra Modi do 30 seats? And I think the jury is out, because in the inflation record of the UPA is going to hurt the UPA. And what is Rahul Gandhi going to do to compensate for that? For Narendra Modi, unfortunately, he wants to talk about development, but Rajnath Singh and others are talking about Mandir, and they're sabotaging his campaign. So if they talk about Mandir and he talks about
it's a good point by Lord Desai.
BJP will lose. BJP will lose.
It's a good point about by Lord Desai. In fact, when I compare the Narendra Modi versus Rahul Gandhi speech, Rahul Gandhi complained about the system. Narendra Modi spoke about how the same system can be made to work. Exactly. Rahul Gandhi spoke about the leadership development in his speech. Narendra Modi spoke about economic development. 1 second. Devang Nanavati, you want to come in? Before that, I have a...
Arnab, I beg to differ with Lord Desai. Arnab, I beg to differ with Lord Desai. I was there yesterday.
Everybody does.
Please, Mr. Lord Desai, you have got your facts wrong because you may have read the internet or something like that.
Internet.
I was through and through with Rajnath ji. Well, maybe, I don't know where he is. He could be sitting in London. So maybe he has read the newspaper through.
He's in Delhi. Thank you.
I'm in Delhi. I'm in Delhi.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I cannot make out. I'm sorry, you're in Delhi. You must have read Times of India in that case, or any other newspaper. Let me put the facts together.
I read 10 newspapers a day.
Please, I'm so sorry.
Watch Times Now.
Completely irrelevant part of this debate.
Let me, Lord Desai, give you a little fact. On a question when it was asked that what about the Ram Mandir, Mr. Rajnath Singh has very candidly said that it's not an election issue, it is a matter of faith, and we do stand that yes, there should be a Ram Mandir, but that can only happen because the matter is in Supreme Court or through a legislation. And let me also put it, today if you go through what VHP has said or even RSS has said, the same thing is being said. Everybody is referring to the parliament and they say that you can create an opinion in this country. And let's not forget, in last 2 years we have seen when there is a high corruption, a Lokpal bill is being pushed by the public, and everybody. Arnab, you are forgetting these facts.
Let him
so a decision is being
actually
made in the parliament. When you talk about a rape of 23-year girl, there is a public movement and uprising, and therefore the ordinance comes in. So there is a possibility to create that atmosphere, and everybody has the right in this country to make that opinion. Let them try it. If the parliamentarians are forced to do that because of the public opinion, I don't think that is undemocratic. It is very much a democratic process.
Can I say one thing? As far as Nirbhaya is concerned, Mohan Bhagwat has to put the RSS case, and we know what the RSS thinks about women.
Well, and that has been denied and clarified by Mr. Ram Madhav.
Forget that.
Don't take a half glass.
Secondly, if you go to Kumbh Mela and dip in the Ganges and say Mandir is our faith, the naive public may think that BJP is going to build a Mandir. Now, BJP may be very subtle. They're not going to build a mandir.
I draw you back on the issue of record. I draw you back on the issue of record. Political quiz number 3. Political quiz question number 3 on the News Hour tonight. A very simple question to the Congress representative. 1 minute.
It's a matter of faith.
Quiz number 3, because that's not coming to you, that's coming to Sanjay Jha. Rahul Gandhi, Sanjay Jha, made his political debut in 2004. He was appointed General Secretary of the AICC in 2007. In the UP campaign, he addressed over 200 rallies. He covered 3,500 kilometers during a Jan Sampark, upped the pace by covering 11,000 kilometers in the 7-phased polls in the state. Can you tell me whether, barring the briefly positive performance in the 2009 Lok Sabha performance in Uttar Pradesh, what does Rahul Gandhi have to show off in his 8-year-long political career?
Oh yeah, I think he's had...
No. Electoral impact.
Yeah, let me answer that.
You want BJP can't respond. BJP can't answer for the Congress here. Tell me one other case.
Yeah, I want to put...
we are talking record. Let the Congress answer.
Yeah. Number one, in the year that Rahul Gandhi made his political debut, most people had forecasted, and he was aware of that.
No.
I'm putting the question in perspective and answering.
The problem is whenever anyone can't answer a question directly, they say I'll put it in perspective.
I'm answering.
Where is the absence of perspective?
Give me a moment.
What is the perspective? My question to you is, I want to pick up concrete examples. Bihar election 2010, Punjab election 2012, West Bengal election 2011, Uttar Pradesh election 2012, 5th place, 3rd place, 2nd place, 4th place, 8%, 10%. 13.22%. Contradict that. Where is the show? What does the Rahul Gandhi show off with?
Well, the year in which he made his political debut, the Congress was being written off. He not just won his own seat, but he campaigned all India. And let me tell you, the Congress UPA won the general elections in 2004 and 2009. Okay. Rahul Gandhi did not just campaign in one state; he went all over the country. So I think it's. And let me tell you, you win some elections, you lose some.
So you're saying
why don't we give credit for Himachal? Okay. Why don't we give credit for Uttarakhand? Why don't we give credit for Kerala? Why don't
one minute.
Devang Nanavati, why don't we give credit for Andhra Pradesh?
I have 6 minutes. Devang Nanavati must respond. Devang is responding here. Yes, please.
Arnab, 2 quick points. What Sabba said is very right. Unfortunately, that means that the Gandhi Parivar is never going to take a responsible position in the government. They will sit out of the government, let the government commit mistakes so that they can so-called remain clean and above the mistakes of their party and their government. Therefore, Mr. Rahul Gandhi will never take up any responsibility. So there cannot be any... There is no track record. No, Sanjay, don't interfere. Sanjay, don't interfere. And that fact, Arnab, is proved at a micro level on this debate, that we have 2 spokespersons from the BJP. Congress has not even sent 1 spokesperson. They are afraid that their spokespersons also can't come and tackle us. So they have sent somebody who is shadow boxing for them. This is what the Gandhi Parivar does.
Well, that's shadow good box. Enough to meet 3 of you head on.
They don't take responsibility.
Devang, you're sounding more rattled than I expected you to be.
There is no question of taking anybody head on. There is no, I don't take you head on, Sanjay. I don't consider you a political opponent. You are not a part of the political party.
Now, let's not make it personal now, gentlemen. Let's not, we take a back off when we take it personal. One question is, next question, image. We are discussing image. Akar Patel, image, Siddharth Nath Singh, image. However much he speaks of development, his critics say the shadow of the 2002 riots continues to haunt Narendra Modi.